I just wanted to show this stuff. Basically it's the same stuff as that. I've got 2 cans of that and 3 of this, but it's both 500ml. That one's probably 2 or 3 quid more, and this one was quite a lot less. So it's the same stuff. And what I like about this, the head on there, which would be transferable to that one there, you can adjust it. See the head there, you can twist that around and get different spray patterns with it. So rather than just like a little sort of a line coming out, you can get like a bigger spray pattern coming out. So it's pretty good. Right, okay, I just want to briefly show you what I've done here, because it's all basically the same anyway, so I ain't going to show the whole wagon. I'm doing the channels like this, so I've pre-cut that for what I've done. I've done one side there already, so I measured from there. That's like sort of, I want it to wrap up there, so 600ml. And then right up to the top there, in there, about another 600. So I cut 600 by 600. I just offered it in there because I want that to tuck right up and over. And then what I've done, see there, I've done little cuts there. And so I know when I spray the stuff on, because what I found before is if you spray both surfaces, all of a sudden you're in a race to get the thing stuck on the wall. And I've got a pen here, so I mark on there and think, right, that's where I've got to line that up, or there. So I know, basically I need to get that there. So anyway, I bought that stuff. I like it because it was cheaper. Variable spray head, that stuff there. Right, here we go. So I've already cut that. What I'm going to do, spray up there. See how that spray, the spray pattern on it, look, it's wider, which I quite like, rather than just a little dribble. So that's a plus. I'm just going to do that first and then work my way down. So here we go. Spray that like that. Right, I know I want to line them marks up there. So I've got to try and push that up. This is the difficult bit you find. Obviously it wants to stick as soon as you put it on there. Now I'm going to line that one up there. Alright. That again. Want it right to the top. There we go. Stick like battery. That's more or less there where I wanted it. Right. Smooth that out, and then all I'm going to do is spray again there. So work my way down in stages, and then get a cloth to follow the contours. I'll spray both areas. A bit more on there. See? Like that. That's all I'm going to show, because basically it's all pretty much the same as. I wanted to show that trim stuff like that. And also what I've done, any of these little bits here, I've gone over the coarse grinding, old grinding thing, any of the nail holes, just rubbed them off slightly because they're raised. And I had some old car touch up, which goes off pretty quick, and just touched over them, any exposed bits. That's all I need to show you really. And then afterwards I've got old TV polystyrene, which I'm going to pack in the walls. So I've recycled that, I kept it in the loft all from the old TV packaging. So I'm just going to utilise that and put it in where I can. And another thing I've got is, this, hold on. I bought that off the internet, and I'm going to use it for my engine under tray. But it's sound deadening. See there with foam? It's basically like what's that on the wall, which is a bitumen one from the factory. That's sound deadening. So I might stick a few panels in here and there. Like a panel in there, one on there, and some. That's all I'm doing with the polystyrene, as you can see. Just old polystyrene from TVs or washing machines. And I'm just improvising and just forcing it in. It don't have to be that accurate, and then just squeeze it all in like a jigsaw. One last thing on these panels here. Look, I've done that. There, filled that in. And I'm putting on these panels here the sound deadening, which is like a foam that foil, see it, like that, and that fits snug on there. I'm going to fill that one in there, and that's it.